Hello everyone, my name is Sadia Education Wadi. I'm student at Rehan College, Korangi campus. Now I'm enrolled in Teacher Training Bootcamp 1. Today we have a special guest, Haya AI Wali. So, Haya, please introduce yourself.
Okay, so first of all, it's me here, Yuali, and I'm from the House Pringi campus. I'm from Karachi, Pakistan. I'm a confident student at the House Pringi campus.
Okay, so Haya, my first question is where do you see yourself after 1 year of using AI?
Okay, after 1 year of using AI constantly, I myself as a more knowledgeable, productive, and confident individual. AI has a potential to transform the way we learn, work, and communication. I believe it help will automate repetitive tasks, improve my research skills, and create highly quality educational content more efficiently. More importantly, I want to become someone who teaches how others how to use AI responsibly. My goal is only personal success, but also helping students, teachers, and professionals understanding that AI is a tool for growth, not shortcut to success.
Okay, it's so good answered. So my next question is what's inspired you to start learning about AI?
Okay, about AI, I realize that artificial intelligence is becoming part of almost every industry, whatever it's educational, healthcare, business, or content creation. AI is changing the way people work. Instead of being afraid of this change, I want to understand it. I believe learning AI today is as simple to learning computers or the internet years ago. It is becoming essential skills that curiosity motivate me to explore AI, share my knowledge with others.
Okay, what has been your biggest learning from AI so far?
Okay, the biggest lesson I have learned in that AI is only as powerful as a person using it. If you ask thoughtful questions, verify information, and apply critical thinking, AI become a incredible learning partner. However, if you really on it blindly, it can lead to mistakes. It has taught me in importance of asking better questions because better questions usually lead to the better answer.
Okay, so my next question is how has AI changed your daily routine?
Okay, daily routine. Just wait a minute. Okay. AI has made my daily routine much more organized and efficient. I use it to plan my schedule, summary articles, prepare educational content, improving my writings, my brainstorms, new ideas. Instead of spending hours searching for information, I can quickly understand concept and focus more on creativity and problem solving.
Okay, do you think AI can make learning easier?
Okay, absolutely. AI can explain complex topic in this language, provide personalized learning plans, generate quiz, and offer instant feedback. Every student learns differently, and AI adapts to individual learning styles. This makes education more flexible, engaging, and accessible than every style. This make education more flexible, engaging, accessible than ever before.
Okay, how do you think AI will impact education in the future?
Uh, I believe AI will make education more flex. Sorry, sorry, teachers will spend less on time administrate work and learning resources will become more instructive. Administrative work and learning resources will become, however, teachers will always remain important because they provide emotional support, motivation, and real life guidance that AI cannot replace.
Okay, can AI replace teachers?
Features. I don't have. Stop.
Okay, so how has AI improved your confidence?
Okay, AI gives me the opportunity to practice without fear of judgment. I can improve my English, prepare for English interviews, research presentation, and receive instant feedback. This content practice has sufficiently increased by my confidence in communication in public speaking.
Okay, which AI skill do you want to master?
Uh, okay. One of the most important skills I want to matter is prompt engineering, the ability to ask clear and effective question in AI. I also want to learn AI powered content creation, automation, and data analyze because these skills will be valuable in almost every profession.
Okay, how has AI improved your creativity?
Okay, AI help me generate ideas when I am stuck. It provides different perspectives, suggests creative approaches, and encourage me think beyond traditional methods. However, creative still comes from human imagination. AI simply acts as creative as assistant.
Okay, can AI improve English communication?
Okay. Yes, definitely. AI can correct grammar, improve vocabularies, explain pronunciation, and even simulate this conversation. It allows learn to practice speaking writers and anytime it climbs learn more.
Okay, what role does critical thinking play while using AI?
Critical thinking is essentially because AI is not about always correct. Users must evaluate information, verify facts, and compare different sources before making decision. AI should support human think, not replace it.
Okay, do you think AI will replace jobs?
AI may automate repetitive tasks and change creating jobs, but it will also create my new career opportunities. The people who constantly learn and adapt will benefit the most from this technological revolution.
Okay, which career will benefit most from AI?
Education, healthcare, software development, digital marketing, finance, engineering, graphic design, content creation, and customer service are among the industries that will benefit greatly. AI is becoming useful in almost every field.
Okay, so how do you stay updated with AI developments?
I regularly read articles, watch tutorial, attend webinars, experiment with new AI tool, and practice using them in real projects. Continue learning is essential because AI evolves rapidly.
Okay, so what is your biggest goal after 1 year?
My goal is become a trusted AI educator who creates valuable content and helps thousands of people improve their education, career, and productivity. Thoughts AI.
Okay, so how do you use AI responsibly?
Okay, I verify information because sharing it respect copyright laws, projects, personal data, and always use AI to support learning rather than encourage cheating for misinformation.
Okay, what advice would you give student about AI?
Using AI as a a learning partner, not a shortcut. Ask question, understand concept, practice regularly, and continue developing your own thinking skills.
So what challenges does AI present?
Some challenges include misinformation, privacy concern, overdependence on technology-based in AI system, and the need of ethical guideline. Responsible use is essential.
How can AI improve productivity?
AI automates repetitive work, organize information, summarize documents, assist with the writing, schedule tasks, and provide question solution, allowing the people to focus on meaningful work.
Okay, so my next question is what role will human play in an AI driven world?
Humans will continue leading with creativity, empathy, ethics, leadership, and emotional intelligence. AI support these qualities but cannot replace them.
How important is continuous learning?
Continuous learning is more important than ever. Technology changes quickly, and those who continue learning will be people have any opportunities to grow and succeed.
Okay, so what do you think can AI help reduce essential inequality?
Yes, AI can provide affordable learning resources, personalized tutoring, and educational support of students regardless of their location, making qualities education more accessible.
Okay, how can content creators benefit from AI?
AI help with script writing, research, editing, generating ideas, creating thumbnails, improving SEO, and analyze the audience engagement. It allows to create to focus more on originally and storytelling.
Okay, what ethical responsibilities come with AI?
We must ensure fairness, transparency, privacy, and auditability. AI should always be used to improve society, not spread misinformation or harm others.
How will AI influence your personal growth?
Okay, personal growth. AI encourages me to learn faster, think more creatively, improve communication skills, manage time effectively, and stay curious about new technologies.
Okay, what message do you have for young learners?
Don't wait for the future. Start preparing today, learning AI development, digital skills, improve communications, and never stop asking question. Curiosity in your greatest strength.
What does success with AI mean to you?
Success means using AI to create positive change, help me others learn, solve a meaningful problem, and become a long life learner while maintaining human values.
Okay, if you had one wish for the future of AI, what would it be?
I hope AI become accessible to everyone regardless of their background and used ethically to improve education, healthcare, innovation and global opportunities.
Okay, So, finally, what is your vision after 1 year of using AI?
1 year for now, I hope to look back and see meaningful progress, not just in the number of AI tools I I lived, learned, but in the lives I lived, helped improve. I want to know as AI wali someone who made AI simple but practical and beneficial for students, teachers, professionals, and anyone eagers to learn. I believe the future belongs to those who embrace change with curiosity, responsibilities, and communication to lifelong. Learning AI is not about destination; it's a powerful companion on the journey toward knowledge, innovation, and success. And thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Haya, for sharing your inspiring ideas. And thank you so much, everyone. Allah Hafiz.